Hi, I'm going to talk now about the Investor Visa.
Okay, let's go.
Investor Visa in Ecuador, you need a minimum investment of $47,000, whether it's in real estate, certificate of deposit in an Ecuadorian bank, or shares in an Ecuadorian company. Once you make the investment, you must keep the investment for the length of your temporary residency visa. Once you switch to permanent residency visa, you can withdraw those funds or you can sell the property. So don't worry about having those funds locked for your entire life while you're still living in Ecuador. So the second requirement for the investor visa is the state-level background check, FBI background check if you're from the United States. If you're from Canada, the background check needed is the RCMP background check with the fingerprints. The third requirement for the investor visa is that you have to prove, or you have to show with your bank statements that you have been receiving an income that is more than the Ecuadorian monthly minimum wage, which for 2025 is $470. Obtaining the documents in the US or Canada, it takes between 8 up to 12 weeks. Getting the visa approved in Ecuador, it takes between 4 to 6 weeks. After your visa gets approved, within the next 15 days, you will be getting your cédula. And your cédula will help you to do anything in Ecuador. Your cédula, you go and get internet, you can go and get an account, bank account, you can open a bank account, but also if you are a senior, you can get the benefits for seniors. Like, just to mention one of them is you will be getting 50% discount for all airfares, whether it's international or national. If you have any questions about this visa or any other type of visa, please send us an email or write visa in this video and we will get back to you as soon as possible.